How to accept payments on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how you can set up payment method on Wix. It's very easy. Let's get started. Simply open up your Wix website and open up your dashboard. Now, this is the dashboard that we get with our Wix, and we want to set up payments. You have to simply scroll down and go to settings. In settings, we get different settings such as general, communication, advanced, and then we have e-commerce and finance right here. In e-commerce and finance, go to accept payments. Once you get to accept payment, it will show you all of the different ways you can add and you can accept payment on your website. Keep in mind, different methods right here depend on your location, and some of the methods may not be available in your location. But you can see right here, we have Stripe. With Stripe, we will be able to accept Visa card, MasterCard, USCB, Union Pay, Discover, and others. All you have to do is connect your Stripe account. Then we have PayPal. You can connect your PayPal from here. Then we have manual payment where you can accept cash and other ways. There are other options as well where we will be able to connect our webs, Skrill credit card, Klarna. Then we have Fondi, Alipay, rapid transfer, and more. So these are the different ways you can accept and add payment to your Stripe. Now click on just connect and it will allow you to connect your Stripe or any other account. I'm going to connect my Stripe. Click on connect again. Enter your email address that you have on Stripe and just connect your Stripe to your Wix and you have your own payment method. So you can connect any of these and you will be able to accept payments through your Wix website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.